Good morning. Welcome to the lecture session. Today we are going to discuss about problems on work done, that is on vector integration. The evaluation of integral along with the given curve is called as a line integral, which we have already studied. Suppose f is a vector, that is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. It's a vector point function where f1, f2, f3 are the variables of x, y, z or functions of x, y, z. For any position vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and dr is given by dxi plus dyj plus dzk, such that the line integral of a curve C can be defined as f into dr. Line integral of f into dr is given by f is nothing but f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So we know that it is a dot product. So we get f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. That is given by the vector integration along the curve C. Let's look at the problem now. If f is 3x yi minus y square j, evaluate f dot dr where C is the variable of y is equal to x square, or C is the curve where y is equal to 2x square from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2. Given f is this one, we'll consider the function, and r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, so that dr will be dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So before doing the integration, what we need to do is we need to multiply, or we need to take the dot product of f and dr. That because the k component is not there, it will become 0. So 3xy of dx minus y square of dy, let's call this as 2. Here the curve C is the variable of y is equals to x square, 2x square parabola. So y is equal to 2x square, it can be plotted like this. Y is equals to 2x square, and the point here when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, which can be illustrated here. Y is equals to 2x square. Supposing when x is equals to 1, we have 2 into 1 square, that is equals to 2. Therefore, when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. That is the point we are going to get it here, 1, 2. So dy by dx will be 4x, that is differential of this. So dy is equals to 4x into dx, and so equation 2 will be f dot dr, that is given by 3x into dr, which is 2x square dx and all that, which when multiplied and all, we will be getting f dot dr, and the simplification of that is 6x square minus 16x power 5 into dx. That is by replacing the y as 2x square and then the dy as 4x dx. So this we have done it, and entirely this is converted in terms of the x variable itself, so that it can be integrated. So 6x cube, when we integrate, it is x power 4 by 4, and x power 5 is x power 6 by 6, and the limits are varying from 0 to 1. As we can see, this x is varying from 0 to 1. Therefore, it is 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6, which on simplification we will be getting minus of 7 by 6. Next question. If f is equal to xyi plus yzj plus zxk, evaluate the integral f dr, where c is the curve represented by x equals to t, y is equal to t square, and z is equal to t cube, when t is varying between minus 1 to plus 1. Let's consider the given curve, and r is xi plus yj plus zk, so that the dr will be dxi plus dyj plus dzk. and before doing the integral we need to do multiplication, that is a dot product of f dot dr. So on doing so we get xy dx plus yz dy plus zx into dx. Let's call this as equation number 1. And before doing the integration, what we need to do is, what is x here? X is equals to t, y is t square, and z is equals to t cube. So what is dx, dy and dt? Everything is converted in terms of t itself. So x is t means dx will be dt, y is t square is dy will be 2t into dt, and z is t cube means dz will be 3t square, the derivative of this, that is 3t square into dt. Therefore 2, what was our 2 actually? The equation 2 is f dot dr, that is xy dx plus yz dy plus zx into dz. So that is equal to t into t square dt plus t cube t square t cube d 2d dt 2t dt plus t cube into t into 3t square into dt. This is on simplification, we get to t cube dt plus 2t power 6 into dt plus 3t power 6 into dt, which can be added as 5t power 6 into dt. This is our f dot dr. And how would the t varying from? T is varying from -1 to +1. Okay, so it will be t power 4 divided by 4, and here it is t power 7 by 7. Whenever it is a even function, like a power of this is even, so it will become 0, because 1 and -1 power 4 is also positive, and this is also positive, and so it will become 0. Whereas it's an odd function, you will be getting a number, that is 5 divided by 7 into 2, which gives us 10 by 7. The next problem. If f is 3x square plus 6y into I and minus 14yz j plus 20xy xz square k, evaluate f dr along the curve C from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Along the curve is given by x is t, y is t square, and z is t cube. So again it is similar to this previous problem, and f is given by this. For the any position vector r is xi plus yj plus zk, so dr is given by this. So before that we need to find out what is f dot dr, that we have found here. So f dot of dr is equals to 3x square plus 6y into dx minus 14yz into dy plus this. And before going for the integration, we need to substitute everything in terms of t, that is x also t, y is t square, and z is also t square, and correspondingly we need to obtain what is dt, dx, dy and dz also. So that we have done it. So f dot of dr is given by this one, and the line integral from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 of this one corresponds to x is equals to t, y is equals to t square, and z is equals to t cube. So t is varying from 0 to 1, so 9t square dt, and here it is t power 6 dt, and here it is t power 9 dt. So this is on simplification, and then substituting the value of t as 0 to 1, anyway 0 it does not matter. So it is 9 by 3 for the first one, the second one is 28 by 7, the third one is 60 by 10. 9 by 3 is 3, and 28 by 7 is 4, and 60 by 10 is 6. So it is 9 minus 1, that is 5. So final answer for this is 5. Thank you.